An internal load balancer directs traffic only to the resources that are inside a virtual network. An internal load balancer can also be used via a VPN to access Azure infrastructure. The front end IP address and the virtual networks are never directly exposed to an internet endpoint. Internal line of business applications run in Azure and are accessed from within Azure or from your on premise resources. For example, an internal load balancer could receive database requests that needs to be distributed to backend SQL servers. If you look at the picture here, the virtual machines are communicating with the internal SQL servers with the help of a load balancer. The load balancer then distributes the traffic to the backend SQL servers on port number 1443. That means that an internal load balancer will help us achieve different kinds of load balancing. It could be load balancing from virtual machines in a virtual network to a set of virtual machines that reside within the same virtual network. It could also load balance from an on premise computer to a set of virtual machines that reside within the same virtual network. For multi tier applications, the internal load balancer can load balance for internet facing multi tier applications where the backend tiers are not internet facing. The backend tiers require traffic load balancing from the internet facing tier. The internal load balancer can also balance the load for all the line of business applications that are hosted in Azure without any additional load balancer hardware or software. Now, this scenario includes on premise servers that are in the set of computers whose traffic is load balanced. A public load balancer could be placed in front of the internal load balancer to create a multi tier application. Let's take a look at different characteristics of the load balancer in the next lesson.